If you're growing microgreens right now, let me ask you a question. Honest question. Are you actually building a profitable business? Or you just have accidentally built yourself an exhausting full-time second job? Most growers start out with a passion of growing a clean, healthy food, but very quickly find yourself buried in chaotic spreadsheets that never balance. Bad. Guessing your prices every week based on how nerves you feel, how stressed out you feel over time. Are you stressing out every time wholesale account pulls an order? You're starting to put 60 to 80 hours in a week. But when you look at your bank account at the end of the month, you wonder, why is there no profit left? And actually, where did it go? Now, I know that cycle immediately because I lived it. I spent it. We grind it. Long hours. Trying to brute force our way to success. Eventually realize that growing great trays isn't what makes microgreen business successful. Systems do. I stopped guessing. I built a real, reputable system, exactly cost per tray, per numbers, what that cost. A rock solid plan for scheduling that actually worked for us and worked for the real world. Pricing models that protected our bottom lines and our margins. Across every single sales channel, from direct to consumer, to farmers markets, to grocery stores, to wholesale, all of it. Within months, the systems completely transformed our farm, replacing both of our incomes, and took the chaos out of daily operations. Scaling your farm from $5,000 to $10,000 a month doesn't require working twice as hard. It requires 3 core pillars. First, margin clarity. You need to know those exact numbers down to the cent of your seed, your soil, your packaging, your labor, your lights, all of it, so you never underprice a single ounce of microgreens. Second, you need predictable production cycles. Plant and harvest cadences. Plant on Friday, harvest on Monday. Eliminate the waste trays and ensure you're never short on an order. And third, channel strategy. Knowing how to price your packages differently for high margin direct consumers versus volume for wholesale buyers. 2 totally different pricing. You don't have to spend 2 years figuring it out like we did the hard way. Trial and error, trying to figure it out all on your own. We've done the hard work, we've done the work for you, and we package every single tool, template, framework inside our Microgreen Business Coaching group. Right now below this video, you'll see 3 straightforward ways that you can work with us together based on where your farm is today. If you're just starting out and you want the core foundations, start out choosing the standard $49 a month. That's going to get you where you need to go. You get our monthly group coaching, full pricing, and cost per tray templates, private community access, ongoing email support. If you're actively growing and want hands-on accountability and you want to grow it as a business, join Premier. $99 a month, you get everything in standard, plus weekly Q&As, check-ins directly with me, our full farm plan schedule, and support, priority support, and all the margin by channel frameworks that we built. And if you want direct high-level access to accelerate your growth as fast as possible, join the VIP at $199 a month. That includes a privately text line to me, quarterly one-on-ones, deep dive strategies, and first access to our new tools, templates. We just got that new growth hub going. You'll get access to that. And we build everything for you, so you don't have to think about it. To kick off right now, first 5 new members that join at any level will get access to the Growth Hub software, get the exact custom cost per sheet per tray template and margin system that we built for our own farm. Plus, you get a private one-on-one onboarding call with me where I personally dial in your pricing, your planting schedule, whatever you need, a roadmap for your next 90 days. Once those 5 are taken, they're gone. So get them while you can. Stop guessing your numbers, run your farm in the dark, select the level bull that fits best for your farm right now. Let's start building real, predictable, profitable business together. I'll see you over there.